Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video by Duwork Exotics. So this video, we're polishing up the Ferrari. Why are we doing that? Well, guess what? In about a month, I'm hoping, come on, we can take this car out. There's still some snow on the ground. So I'm hoping that within a month, the snow is gone, the salt is gone, and then we can take her on our first cruise of the year. You know, this winter we did a decent amount of maintenance. We took out the seat to get the immobilizer out, sent it over and had it recoated so that now all my fobs work. We took the wheel off to replace the wheel well fender liner and other little things here and there. So now it's time to just give it a nice, deep, clean polish to make it look flawless for the spring season here and the summer season of driving. What I'm gonna use is a bunch of ammo products. So I really like the ammo products and what they do. First of all, we're gonna start off by just using some of their spit shine. It's like their quick detailer. Watch my other video about quick detailers because I'm blown away the difference. I was your typical guy that just got the Walmart Meguiar's quick detailer. I thought it worked fine. No. This ammo spit shine quick detailer is a whole nother level and it's worth the money. I didn't think so at first because I never used it. You know, all my buddies would spend countless tons of money on detailing products. And I was like, why? It all is the same. No, it's not. It's not even close to being the same. You have to try a nice detailer first before, you know, making an opinion on it. So I tried this ammo quick detailer. It's called a spit shine. Incredible. It really makes it look good. So first I did that just to get all of the surface dust off. You know, sitting in storage unit right now, it gets surface dust sitting in there. So first of all, I got all the dust off and just little imperfections off. On the back bumper, I had to get some things off there, little pieces, microscopic pieces of tar, and just, you know, just regular road grime. Got it all off of there. Then I was ready to throw a sealant on there. What I used was ammo skin. So it is like, it's a sealant cream. You smear on there and then you take it right off. And that really fills in any type of swirl marks, any imperfections in the paint. And then lastly, you want to finish off the top coat with the cream. That's that nice high buff, high polishing looking, you know, really shiny looking top coat. So right now, all I have is the skin on it. I've done the quick detailer on the skin. So let's walk around and see how the car looks and how it's turned out with these products. First thing I'm going to do, there's a little light coating of dust on the car. It's been in a controlled environment all winter, but still I want to make sure all the dust is off of it. So first thing to begin is to apply a liberal amount of just ammo spit shine. This is the emergency spit shine. It's their quick detailer. I really love the product. Liberal amount on there and just to get the surface dust off. While I'm applying the spit shine, I'm really going to go slow with it and make sure all of the crevices and everything, there's not even like little bits of tar or anything on the body. The reason is because I do not want to seal in any imperfections in the paint. So let's start spit shining it up. Okay everyone, so the body is now finally decontaminated using ammo spit shine. I really like ammo spit shine. It's a really good quick detailer, and what I like is I could just make sure all the dust was off of here. And you know, there's always little tiny bits of tar, or especially with this car and these big exhausts, the carbon that just gets shot out of this exhaust, it just kind of sticks to the back of this exhaust here. It must be the turbulence from the aero of the car. Luckily, I got it all off, and now we're going to use ammo skin defense. It's a sealant. So this is one of those things you use a couple times a year. I don't really consider this wax. It's more of just like a really sticky type polymer that you put on top of the clear coat, and it really like sinks into that clear coat. It kind of, you know, it's more of a sealant than, you know, the wax top coat. So I'm going to use this first. Now this, it's a liquid. It's different than wax. You kind of put it on, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then take it off. So really easy to use. I really like the product though, and this lasts, like I said, for a long time. So I usually just apply this once a year. maybe twice, depending on how many times I get caught in the rain and how dirty the car gets. But for a weekend car like this, one time a year is usually okay for me. So I'm gonna start applying this now, and we'll see how she looks. So far though, she's looking fantastic. Okay, so I just did a coat of the ammo skin, and this is exactly what it was supposed to look like. You just put a light coat on there and it gets really hazy. Once it starts to get that haze and dry up, that's when you take it off. Usually it only takes a couple minutes, and then you just buff it off, just like a regular wax.
Scheduled, whether it's going to the track, going out on a drive with all the Ferrari people, something like that. So it's going to be busy, lots of great stuff coming your way, so stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't, so you can stay in the know when those videos come up. Generally speaking, I publish Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay, the detailing is now done, so let's see how the final outcome looks. Well, as you guys can see, I am beyond pleased with how the car came out. The products really shined up this paint and made it look just sparkle again. It's also great just for the protection of your paint. It's really going to seal in those pores. You know, I do get occasionally caught in rain, and you know, it's just nice just to protect the paint and make it look good overall. It is ready for spring. I'm hoping this weather does turn out to warm up here sooner or later, but I'm really pleased with how the car came out. And just once again, the ammo products, if you have not tried another type of detailing product, give it a shot. You'll be blown away by the difference. I was just shocked at how much better the car turns out. Okay guys, that does it for this video. The car is all shined up, ready to go for a big summer meet. I'm ready to start driving it. A couple other things I have to do, just clean the windows. I want to polish the exhaust tips a little bit more, that Capristo exhaust. I'm still trying to figure out my whole mic setup I'm gonna do for this summer. I'm getting a new GoPro, and I think I'm gonna get a little external mic and maybe put it near the trunk or in the back of the car. I wanna avoid wind noise. If wind hits these cameras, it totally just kills the sound. And this thing sounds incredible. I want you guys to be able to hear this thing. So I'm gonna somehow route a mic somewhere. So we got some cool videos coming up. If this is your first time, joining this channel, feel free to subscribe. We have a lot of cool things coming your way once this weather warms up. Okay guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.